Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to air fry my chicken drumsticks. As you can see, I got like 10 pieces of this from 99 Ranch Market. And I got some of the ingredients over here. I'm going to put some of the olive oil. And either you could put like a 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of the black pepper. And then I got the garlic salt. Also, I have OB seasoning. It's good for poultry, seafood, salad, and meat. And I also have this Cajun seasoning, if you guys like to have a little spice. And I got this cayenne pepper and also paprika ground. Depending how spicy you want, you can put 1 teaspoon of those or 2 teaspoons if you can handle the spice. I'm gonna wash this drumstick and then probably dry them out with the paper towel. And I'm gonna mix with the olive oil and with all this ingredient and let it sit for 10 minutes, okay? So here we are in the sink, at the sink right now. I'm gonna rinse it. And you're gonna wash it like 1 or 2 times, and then after that you're gonna dry them up, and then put in dry with the paper towel, and then put olive oil in there and mix it up, and include those ingredients, and then you mix it for like 10 minutes. So this is my 3rd time washing already, so I'm gonna get some paper towel. And I'm gonna wash my hand with soap. I don't want to cross contamination. Here's my air fryer tray right here. I'm just gonna put it here for now while I'm trying to dry them. All right, so that's the last piece. We want to dry this because water and mix with the oil, it's gonna splash everywhere, okay? That's why the reason we're doing this. So I see I have it in the tray right now. And I'm gonna dry this container and then get the olive oil and then put all the seasoning in here. All right. Olive oil. Just 1.5 then. Because this one's bigger. So I'm going to use my tongue to mix it up. I'm going to put some black pepper. Then garlic salt. I don't want too much salt, so just put like 1 teaspoon. Oh shit. I'm gonna put this out aside. Now, don't want to be too salty. Put some of this Cajun seasoning. It is brand new. I'm gonna put some paprika. And then cayenne pepper. If you guys have some kind of herb, you can put it in as well. You know. And then last, I'm gonna put some of this OB seasoning, get a little bit taste. And then I'm gonna mix everything up and let it sit for 10 minutes. Looks so delicious already. In case it's not too tasty, then you could always put some more seasoning in there. I don't want to add too much salt because sodium is pretty bad for you. So I could always add the salt, garlic salt later on. All right, and then we're gonna drop this on this netting. We're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes first, and we'll be back. Alright, so we are using this Cuisinart air fryer. So make sure you turn the function to air fry, okay? Set your temperature to 400 degrees, and you're gonna set it for 20 minutes. If it's not enough, you can set it for 22 minutes. So it ranges from 20 to 25 minutes. Because sometimes people saying 400, their chicken might get burned or something like that. So if you want, you could do a little bit less and cook a little bit longer, okay? So we still waiting for the chicken to get marinated, and then we could put it in here. So we're about ready to put this on this netting, okay? And as you can see on this air fry guy, it says chicken wing, 3 pound, 20 wings. Oh man, mine's only about 10 wings. 400 degree, 20 to 25 minutes. So I might put it for 18 minutes instead, okay? Because they're only about half of it. So I might check it like 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna open the air fryer oven to check it. Make sure it doesn't get burned. One, 2, 3, 4. It fits 10. That's good. I'm not sure if I should rotate it. They say face the skin on the top. I'm gonna rotate this way like that then. So the skin's on top. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you have enough spacing. Maybe put this skinny one somewhere. Just need to arrange it. All right, I think we all good, and let's get ready to put it in there. All right, open this up. I'm gonna put it on the second position. Just put this on top. Don't worry about the oil. It's gonna just drip on this pan. Gonna plug this in. Set on the air fry. 400. I'm gonna set about 15, 18, 16 minutes in. And then we'll be back and checking on them. All right? Oh, it's pretty hot. So you gotta be very dangerous. Don't open it right now. As you can see oil splatting everywhere. Splashing. So we'll be back. So here's what it look like inside. Sizzling. Thing about the air fryer, as you can see, it make your whole kitchen nice, smoky. And I have that fan on to blow the air out. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna open it up and take a look at it real quick. Wow, looks pretty good. So we're gonna try it. Should be juicy inside. Alright, and we will let you guys know, see how tasty it is. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.